Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word lubricity, its meaning, definition and the example. Lubricity. The definition of lubricity is slipperiness, smoothness, effectiveness as a lubricant as indicated by this quality. The synonyms of lubricity are ductility, solderability, pruriency, carnality. Now let me show the example of lubricity word in sentences are: the lubricity of low-sulfur diesel fuels tends to be poor due to deep desulfurization. A market for biodiesel as a lubricity additive is also emerging. The poor lubricity of low-sulfur diesel fuel results in the bad wear pump. Nylon is good wear-proof ability, self-lubricity and noiseless. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.